Colorado. We'll be in the mountains with my sister Ann and her husband Paul, and we'll be able to see my folks at Estes Park, and also be able to see my sister Mary and her family. So we're looking forward to spending the week in the mountains of Colorado and getting out of this heat and humidity of South Carolina for a bit. From the ocean to the mountains, as promised, we're here in Colorado in the Rocky Mountains, Roosevelt National Park, here with my brother-in-law Paul Besson. Say hi.
Hi guys, how you
We're
all
having
doing?
a good time. We're doing a little hike. It's August 2nd, my dad's birthday today, so, and my nephew Alex or Jax also. So we're gonna go to some festivities a little later. But Paul and I are getting a hike in. It's a really pretty day, cool mountain air, and really pretty, this trail, and having a great time so far here in Colorado. More to come.
Some of them were telling me that their parents went there.
Here we are way up in the mountains of Colorado doing a walk. We've been out here, what, an hour and a half or so. We've gone, I don't know, 3 miles or so, and here comes Elisa and Paul, having a really nice time. Thought we might get a little wet from rain. We brought ponchos, but the sky cleared up some, and it feels really cool. You know, it's probably, I'm thinking it's probably in the 60s right now up here. So we just made our turn. We're on our way back. So it's been a full fun day. Right. That one?
I like that one over there.
Okay. Why that one? And we are getting started here, folks.
Alrighty.
I am on Wendy, and Elisa is on Lola, and we have Miss Megan from Kansas State University. Is that right?
Yep, and this is Curly.
Oh, Curly. Okay.
We're going to take you guys on your 1 hour today. Just going over the basic rules that I have for the ride. We're going to make sure that we're keeping both of our feet in those stirrups. Pictures and videos are perfectly fine as long as we keep one hand on those reins.
Right.
Other
Okay.
than that, if there's any questions, feel like that saddle is slipping at all, you guys just let me know so I can get off and help you guys.
Okay. Let's do it.
Lola is very slow. She's an old lady.
We're going to take a look around and see how Elisa's doing here. Yeah, she is. You say we're going to pass this group?
Yep, we're going to pass this group.
Okay. Got some slow pokes up here.
Get the hair out of her face. Come on, Lola. Oh yeah, my first summer ever here on horses. So at the end of every riding season, all of us wranglers will come up here and we'll throw our boots in the trees and do our very last ride here at Sombrero barefoot. Just a little sentimental tradition that we have.
Oh, I like that.
And as you can tell, the boots are usually pretty worn out.
I bet.
I was gonna say you don't want your spanking new
Oh, heck no. But some of these are pretty old. You have some for 2017,
Boot Hill.
2001 over there.
Oh,
Somebody
wow.
has their medical boot up there.
They're actually dated?
Yeah. Just so when wranglers, like, you know, in the future come out here, they can see.
Okay. Oh yeah, I see that. Yeah. Neat.
And then with the 2 hour trail, you would take that trail right there, and then you would hike all the way to the top of that mountain. And
That's
then
not very good.
the hill right there, it kind of has a natural cross in there. You'll see a bunch of trees on it. We call that Prospect Hill. And if you go downtown, there's actually a tram that'll take you to the very top of that. And there's a diner, there's a shop. You can feed the chipmunks if you're
Sweet country.
Very pretty hunting.
Oh, this is gorgeous.
Kind of gives you a nice panorama to the
Yes. Put the camera on me yet. Yeah, this is a lot of fun. Got a great horse here, taking care of me. Megan's taking care of us. See Elisa back there. I have a wrist-mounted thing for my GoPro, but I just forgot to bring it. But this works. This is more for water because this thing will float. If it gets loose somehow, you don't have to worry about it sinking to the bottom. I think we're on the home stretch here. Lower elevation. That almost looks like where my parents are. National Park. Paul is at the wheel. Elisa's in the back. And here I am here. Yeah, these poles showing foot elevation. Ears are popping. Hearts are racing.
Actually, yes.
I believe we're at the highest part of the park right now at 12,005 feet. And boy, what a majestic view. And the hike to get up here, still catching my breath. There are two, we won't be able to see it here, but there are two elk that somebody else pointed out that are just to the left of the pathway over here. And with my other camera, I was able to zoom in and get that, so that's pretty cool. This is the walk down from the highest elevation point. This should be easier than the walk up, which took my breath away, literally. Just to the right, I believe, is the Continental Divide. And we're going to drive a ways longer to see a marker that officially marks the two sides of it. All right, this is where we are headed, our ultimate destination today, the Continental Divide. Atlantic Ocean drainage to the left, to the east or west. What direction would that be? East. To the east, and Pacific Ocean drainage to the west. That makes sense, doesn't it? Colorado River is around here somewhere. I believe it originates. So this is really neat, and there's some kind of lake down here we're going to take a look at too. Maybe I'll be lucky and there's some birds around. Maybe it'll be one of those ptarmigans that the street where my parents live is called something Ptarmigan Street or right, trail. Looks like there used to be beaver trade going on way back when. Who was that Robert Redford character in the movie? Robert Redford movie, real quick, where he was out here in the early days of trade. Stumped. Here we are way up here in the Rocky Mountains. We're making a curve here, but look at the scenery. It's just a picture perfect day. look down.